Okay, so here you go. You're gonna need a scarf and a hair scrunchie. The scrunchie and the scarf is from Amazon. Pull your hair forward and then pull some of the hair up so that you can have little to no hair left. That's what we're gonna be creating the bang with. And if you have any hair coming out, just tuck it back in. It happens to the best of us. And go ahead and tie the scarf. Any remainder that is left, all you got to do is tuck it in. You don't have to tie it, just tuck it into the inside. You get it. And then split the hair into half and tuck the ends in to create the bang in the front. You're going to go ahead and play with it, making sure that it frame your face better. Depending on how wide you want your bangs, you can pull the hair to from ear to ear and just play with it to your desire. Make sure every ends are secure, and that's what you have. Very simple, very easy.